for her, there's a lot of things going on here. So we have some curl pieces that are drawn back. Looks like we have a flip over up here with some pinching, kind of that Russian kind of style. A lot of things could happen in here. It could be more flip over, it could be hair knots, and then we have a wide band covering, and then you don't see the bottom of her hair. And this mannequin head has, behind me has a lot of hair, so I might take some liberties using this style as inspiration, right? That one back there we copied, but this one we're going to take inspiration and we're going to shake it up a little bit. Have my sectioning system and breaking down the head with section 1 is the front, 2 and 3 are the sides, 4 is the crown, and 5 is the back. And you can already see here I have a ponytail in this area. These two here are loose to do some of this take this section right in here because we have a lot of dippy going on right there. So I'm going to take this section. Clean slice there on purpose because I don't want to see scalp. I'm going to pop down right in front of this one. What I want to be tight is I want this to be tighter, this to be a little. Something that I like to do with my ends sometimes. If I have enough hair and I don't need these ends for anything, we literally can stuff them up under there, and that just gives some fullness. Underneath, almost like its own. Pin it right now. I'm going to take the ends that I just fed through. I'm going to fatten them up just a little bit. So when I do like a hair knot, just to get that, to continue with that fullness in there. Smooth out that top layer. And when you work in sections like I do, you can have, you know, have control when you make sections, and you can have control, and you clean each section. So if I want to make a hair knot, I want to think about where the knot is going to be. Now this one is, there's a little bit more bulk on that side, so I'm going to hold my hand kind of where I want the knot to be. And over here, kind of taking a look at what's going on, what do I like about it, how's the weight and fullness. We've got some layers here. Can I push this up? You know, this is a time to just kind of play with it. Here I'm going to just kind of hide my ends maybe inside that knot. I don't really need them. We've got plenty of hair here to work with. The slip of the knot is really the most important part that you want. This back. And we have this ponytail right here. We can pin into that. So I'm gonna pin some more of this knot I just made right in to that point. Just elevate this a little bit here. I'm going to, and I don't want to pinch and pull. I don't want to get too boho here. I want to keep it sleek because we got shine, okay? We don't have a whole lot of messy. I want to take the end of my bobby pin, I'm grabbing some of that, okay? I'm going to bring it up to where I want to hide that part of the hair and just kind of shove it in. Yeah, hopefully it'll stay. And go in and find the other side of it and get that into the scalp hair just so I can hide what was going on with the pieces we're showing. Fatten this guy up, and kind of almost kiss them together. So we don't get all of that side up. So we'll take all of that side. Where it's going to be inside, right? I'm going to hold it where it's going to go. So right here, so right about here, that's going to be hidden inside. So that's where we're going to... And pulling I can, fanning that out, pulling this down, getting these to fill in and kiss each other. Holding with my thumb, I want this bobby pin to go right under where my thumb was. And I don't need to catch a whole lot of hair because it's already in an elastic. One bobby pin. I have a tutorial on how to make this. What I want to do, and I added some wire to the headband. Give me something to pin into. So working with the client, I want to look and see how this is going to lay. Giving her this pinchy look in the front that she liked from the photo. And then we've got a nice little bump here in the back. Before I move any further on, I'm going to see maybe I can, I kind of want to keep that tight right there. I don't want to, so I'm going to bend this wire up and pin it underneath because I don't want hair over this. I want to keep it a little tight. I always turn them away from the mirror. Always turn them away from the mirror. They're happy with the front. Go on your phone, go on.